welcome back to my channel. Gillian here. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my favorite salad dressings. It is very easy to make and it's only 3 ingredients. It is a very fresh dressing. It's absolutely delicious and loaded with so many nutrients. We have our ingredients here. We have a bunch of cilantro, sesame seeds, and we have limes. So you will want to take about a half to a full bunch of cilantro. This is washed and I'll just pull off the ends. And then you want to use about a cup of sesame seeds. Then I like to use the juice of about 3 limes. We will add water to blend. Depending how thick or thin you like your salad dressing, you'll want to play around with the water a bit. This is about a half a cup of water. Here we have our beautiful cilantro sesame seed lime dressing. It's super cool and refreshing, delicious, full of nutrients. Cilantro is also super good at detoxing heavy metals, and sesame seeds actually are great for fighting off depression. So this is loaded with nutrients and it tastes fantastic. Look at that, it's absolutely amazing. I already prepared this fresh salad. Just wondering, I don't know, I love to make homemade salad dressings. I don't know how many people do, so I'm wondering if you've made a homemade salad dressing before, comment down yes below in the comments. I'd love to know. There we go, I'm really looking forward to eating this. It's absolutely delicious. And I highly recommend my vegan Caesar salad dressing recipe as well, which I will link at the end of this video. And like this video if you enjoyed this recipe, and I will see you next time. Bye!